What a busy, exciting day. Hello everyone, it is Wednesday. I just finished a super quick workout. I didn't show it because who cares, but I'm trying to film a YouTube video before I have to log into Zoom and do a podcast interview, which I'm super excited about. So that's at 1 o'clock. It's about 10:01 now or something like that, and I'm trying to shower, get ready, and film a video, and my goal is to have that done by 12:30, so I have a little bit of time to kind of set up and not feel rushed. So let's see if I can do this. All right, so done getting ready. It is 11:13. I have about an hour and a half to film a video, and I'm just getting situated and trying to figure out where I'm going to shoot it, angles and all of that. I look super pale because I've gotten a little bit of sun, and the makeup that I brought with me doesn't match. So I tried to fix it, but it just wasn't working. It is what it is. It happens. I'll just have to fix the color in post. This is my little setup. I'm just gonna sit like right over here, and the background's just gonna be like this couch. I have the products here ready to go. I'm gonna sit right here on my little mat, and yeah, let's see how fast I can do this. Let me turn this fan off. Let's shoot this baby. Let's shoot this baby. Okay. I did it. I finished filming. It is 12:10. I took a quick little picture for the thumbnail. Let me see if I could like grab something to eat real quick. Not grab, but make myself something to eat really quickly because I have not eaten all day. Okay, so it's time for me to hop onto Zoom to do this podcast interview that I'm so excited about. It's with Katie Steckley. I don't know if you guys watch her here on YouTube, but she's awesome. And I'm really excited that she asked me to be a guest on her podcast. Please, internet, work, because I've been having such issues with the internet. What a busy, exciting day. I haven't had an exciting day in a long time. It's really difficult. It's hard to put into words. Back in the city. I'm just gonna finish putting my stuff away, kind of like tidy up my desk area a little bit, or maybe I'll just do that tomorrow. I just need to like clean up, but I have a lot of work to do. So I'm doing like this challenge and setting up my little coaching business, and there's like so much. There's like so many different things that I'm working on that are in the very beginning stages and nowhere near even like talking to you guys about, really, because I don't know what's gonna happen with it. But the side business, the coaching side, yes, that is underway. I kind of feel like today I just want to like not do anything, even though no, I can't really do that because I have assignments to do in this little challenge thing that I'm doing and this other course that I'm doing. I really want to stay on track because I was behind, and I spent all day and all night on Monday getting caught up. I literally stayed up until like 2 o'clock in the morning, and I really don't want to do that. I need to get into a better working and sleep schedule and get healthy, because it's just not healthy to be doing that all the time. I was just talking and I didn't hit the record button. What the hell is wrong with me? I have issues. Like, you stop vlogging for a couple of days and it's like you don't even know how to be a vlogger anymore. Like, get your shit together memes. Okay, so anyway, Sweet Sweat, been using it forever. I already shared that with you guys. The stick version is so much easier to apply. Like, I even have the armbands. I put the armbands. You just put them on here. You wrap the bands around. You put this literally anywhere. Inner thigh, back of the thigh, your stomach. I like slather it on my stomach. Let me show you the little bands really quickly from Sweet Sweat. They look like this. I wanted these since forever. Okay, so what I do, and the reason why I do this is because when I do like upper body, I don't really sweat like that, you know, so I don't really feel to me, like, I don't feel like I'm doing anything, although I know that I am. It's like mental. But I apply the cream on my arms like this, like all over my arms and my inner thighs and my stomach. Don't even get me started. So I'm not gonna lie, this is a little bit tricky to put on alone. So what I do is I take the bottom part and I just put it right here very loosely. See, so you have like this part on the top. I slide this right on my arm like so, position it to where I want it, and then I just grab this piece and put it right there. So there, it's on, right? And then I just adjust it to my liking. I like it snug but not too tight. Like, I need to move, you know. Listen, it's Operation Get Your Shit Together and Look Good Before You Turn 40, because that is coming up sooner than I care to admit. I'm being dramatic. I just turned 38, but still, you know, like, time flies. Like, it's freaking July. March felt like an entire freaking year, and then all of a sudden it's freaking July. Like, Halloween is in 3 months. We need to start saving money for Christmas, because we're gonna be doing like Christmas shopping soon. You know what I mean? Like, think about that shit. It's too fast. Everything's too fast. And I'm currently doing Marit Fitness home guides. She had a really great sale during Memorial Day, where if you buy the home guides, you get a band for free. And I think everything was under like $20 or something like that. And the bands alone are like $20. And they come like this. This is the little bag. I really thought I was getting one band. I got two. Okay, this is the size large. This is the small. They're really great quality, nice and thick. They really take your leg workouts up a notch, and I love the resistance on them. I really feel like I'm being challenged. I'm just really enjoying the program so far. I'm going to start incorporating some cardio. I haven't done any cardio whatsoever since doing the guides. I'm still on guide 1. I'm almost done though, but I really need to step it up and like add the cardio, because my body needs cardio. Needs cardio like a lot. Like, I notice the difference when I don't do cardio, and I don't like it. So I have been sitting here for most of the day trying to get my side hustle up and running, and I ran into some technical difficulties with the platform that I'm using, and I think I figured it out. So that's exciting, because once everything is figured out and I can test it, then I can publish it and start letting everyone know that I will be providing this service now. So that's kind of cool, because I know I mentioned to you guys a while ago I was doing like strategy on the side and that I was going to be creating courses, but I decided to push the course creation process back a little bit, because I wanted to make sure that I was creating something that people would actually buy and something that would really be useful, because there are so many courses out there now, especially by other influencers, and I just want to make sure that I'm actually providing value and that my audience wants that. Early in the vlog, you saw that I am going to be trying out the Vida Hair Growth system. You saw me applying the mask, but I accidentally deleted the footage of the next day when I was explaining to you guys the other steps. So the next day, you wash out your mask, you rinse it out, and then you go in with the shampoo and you massage this in and leave it in for about 5 minutes. Rinse this off. Then you go in with the conditioner and you leave this on for 10 minutes, and then you rinse that off. These products are completely natural, they're organic. The slippage on the conditioner is not the greatest, to be honest with you, but it's also not the worst. So you can still detangle your hair with it, but just keep in mind that it's not like the absolute best slippage ever. So the first time I used this, I completely skipped a step. I forgot to use this bad boy. This is the leave-in tonic, bringing hair back to life. It says apply to scalp, massage for 5 minutes, and then style as usual. I completely forgot to use this last time. I just went straight to styling. My bad. So today is actually the first time I'm going to be using it. So I guess this is my first day with the product. I don't know. I'm gonna use this for about a month and see what happens. Let me just show you my hair as it is now. Pretty long. It's like a little bit past the boobie area. And the problem for me is more so like my edges. I've always had very just like thin edges and not much hair there, which is why I don't really braid my hair that much, other than the fact that I don't know how to braid my hair very well. Like, I just suck at it, and my goal in life it's to get better. But it's also because I just don't have that much hair here. This is what my edges look like right now. It's not horrible, but like I just want them to look a little bit more full. This is what the right side looks like. And then this is the forehead area, which I feel like my hairline is receding. Whatever. Anyway, so I'm gonna go in with the leave-in tonic. Oh, this is what it looks like. It's like this brown. Oh shit, I just spilled it. My bad. Only me. Only me. So I'm gonna go in with the Texture by Cantu Defining Cream. I've talked about this before and I really like it. I can get away with just using this. I hope you guys enjoyed this like super just chill vlog, you know. Don't forget to subscribe for new videos every single week. I would love to have you join the fam. I noticed that a lot of you guys that watch are not subscribed, like a huge percentage of you guys. So it's free to like, and it's free to subscribe, and it's free to support, and I would appreciate it. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video.